The
Rock! The Rock is in Philly! The Rock's at the Rumble! The Rock wins the SmackDown! The Rock is here! Taking out Big Show! Most electrifying and sports entertainment! King! Here it comes! Get ready! You can't do it! The most electrifying man in all of sports entertainment! With the people's elbow! The Rock! Where did he come from? This is awesome! Well, there were rumors all week long that Rock was in Philly, but we didn't think he'd be here tonight. Reigns with a Superman punch! Rock bottom! Rock coming to the aid of Roman Reigns. Guys. Rusev's in this.